So this is your first one, Shishupal Vadham. So Kavya Katha means there is some kavya, some poetry. Mostly kavya is poetry in other languages, but in Sanskrit kavya is everything, poetry, prose.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so what had happened, like since that kavyas, these poetries are some high standard literary creations, so you cannot understand at this level. So some person went through those poems or slokas and converted into a story for us in simple words to understand.
Okay.
So that is what is the Kavya Katha in this. So we'll see Shishupal Vadham. We know like who was Shishupal, Sri Krishna's relative, and how he got killed is the story. It is what we are going to read. And this is one of 5 Mahakavyas are there in Sanskrit. So this is one of that 5 Mahakavyas. So there, Naradasya, you can see here, Naradasya Agamanam.
Yes.
So this is together, Sandhi. So Naradasya means of Narad, Agamanam means coming. So Narad's coming is the context here. So Bhagavan, Shri Vishnu, Lok Rakshanay Krishnavataram Grihitavan. So here the verb is, you have to everywhere when you are reading, try to find the verb. So Grihitwan is the verb. It's a Pumlinga verb, right? Grihitwan, he took. Who took? If you ask, Shri Krishna Grihitwan. Shri Krishna took. Who Shri Krishna? Bhagwan Shri Vishnu. Sorry, I said Krishna. Bhagwan Shri Vishnu Grihitwan. What he Grihitwan? Krishna Avataram. He Grihitwan. Krishna Avataram. He came in form of Krishna. For what he came? Kimartham he came? Lok Rakshanaya. To protect the world, Loka. Okay. So next, Saha. Saha means he. Vasudevasya, of Vasudeva. Putro, there is a Sandhi. Putro. It will become Putraha. So Putraha means son. Jataha. Jataha is like past tense verb. So he got born as son of Vasudeva.
Vasudeva, okay.
Dwarakayah and then space cha. Together it is written Dwarakayascha.
Yes,
so Dwarakayah means of Dwarika. Cha and Nripaha. Nripaha means king. Abhavat. Abhavat is a past tense verb.
Past tense.
So Dwarikas, he became king of Dwarika also. Cha is also. So he took birth as a son of Vasudeva and he became king of Dwarika also. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll move. Kadachit, sometime. Sri Krishnam. Sri Krishnam is Ditiya. Drashtum is again Drashtum. So to see, that is Tumun.
To see, yeah.
So Sri Krishnam, to see whom? Sri Krishnam. To see Sri Krishna. Narad Maharshi. Narad Maharishi, great sage Narada, came. Agatwan, came. Kutra Agatwan, where he came? Dwarakam. To Dwaraka. To Dwaraka he came. So Krishna Pujitwan. We can mix like Krishna did the worship. Whom?
Worship.
Naradam.
Narada Maharishi.
Narada. Okay. So he did the worship of Narada Maharishi. Yoga Kshemam cha aprichat. Aprichat is the verb. Who aprichat? It is clear. Krishna only aprichat. What he aprichat? Yoga Kshemam means his well-being in normal terms. So Narada Muni evam uktavan. So Narada Muni like this uktavan he said. Right? So what he said, now dash and comma is there. Krishna, he is now addressing Krishna. So it is a Sambodhana. Krishna, Bhavan Sarvam Janati. Oh Krishna, you know everything.
Know everything.
Bhavan Sarvam Janati. Sarvagyo, Sarvagyaha. Actually, Gyo is because of Sandhi. It is Sarvajyaha. So Sarvajya hi Bhavan. Sarvajya. Jya means to know. Sarva means all. And so
All.
you know everything. You know all. So tatha api, but then also Devendrasya sandesham grihitva. Devendrasya of Indra. Devendra. Deva Indra.
Indra.
King of Devas.
Ah.
Of Indra.
Ah.
Sandesham means message. Grihitva, after taking the message. Agatah asmi.
Ah.
I came here after taking his message. So he is telling like you already know everything, and there is nothing for me to tell, but I am telling like I came here with message of Devendra. Kripaya shruyatam. Please listen. Iti. Like this. Like this Narad Muni Uktavan. So now he is saying Pura. Pura means earlier. Hiranyakashipuhu. Hiranyakashipuhu. There is a visarga. And then separate Nama. Hiranyakashipuhu Nama. Daityaha Lokan Pidayati Sma. Earlier there was a Daitya. Daitya means son of Ditis, demons. So Diti, Aditi were there, right? So Daitya is the son of Diti. So Hiranyakashipu Nam, there was a Daitya named Hiranyakashipu. He was Lokan Pidayati Sma. Sma for past tense. Lokan means many worlds. Pidayati means he was torturing. Like so, Akhilopi Lokaha Tasmat Bhitaha. Akhilaha Api Lokaha Tasmat Bhitaha. All the lokas were worried from him, afraid of him. Tasmat Bhitaha. Tada Bhavan, then you, Narasimhavataram Grihitva, then you took avatar of Narasimha, Tam Rakshasam, him, that Rakshasa, Hiranyakashipu Rakshasa, Nakhaihi Chitva Hatvan. You opened him by your nails, and by that you killed. Mritaha Hiranyakashipu, that dead Hiranyakashipu, Janmantare, after many Janmas, Ravanaha Jataha. He got birth as Ravana. Punaha api janan munin cha pidayitum arabdhavan. Again, punaha api, again also people and munin means munis, our sages. For them again he started doing the bad to them, arabdhavan. So bhavan api, you also, punaha again, Dasharathasya putraha, you also again became son of Dasharatha. Sri Ramaha Bhutva Sita Apaharakam. You also became again a son of Dasharatha, and who took away the Sita, him you killed, means Hatvan. Right? Yatha loke, as in world, Nataha, actors, Anyam Vesham, another form, Dhritva, after having Ranga Bhumim, on the theater, Agachati, they come. Tada Saha Rakshasaha Idanim Shishupalaha Iti Namna Utpannaha. So he's telling now, as the actors take different form and come on the stage or dais to perform the whatever drama is happening. Similarly, this Rakshasa Hiranyakashipu, earlier he came as Ravana, and now he is in form of Shishupala. So Tasya Daurjanyam Asahniyam. Whatever bad thing he is doing, that is beyond tolerable limits. Janaha dukkhitaha santi. People are very sad. Purvam yatha bhavan rakshas samharam kritva lokopakaram kritvan. Earlier, as you killed these rakshasas and you benefited the world, Tatha, like that, Idanim api Shishupalasya vadham karotu. Now also do like that and kill this Shishupala. iti, like this or this, Indra Sandesham, message of Indra, Naradaha, Narad Muni, Shravitwan, he told to Shri
Okay.
Krishna. Shri Krishna
Okay.
Naradasya vachanam shrutva tatha astu, tatha astu. Let it happen like this.
Be like that.
Be
Okay.
like that. Iti angikritvan. So he accepted by saying tatha astu. Santoshena, with satisfaction, Narad Maharshi Dwarka Nagarat, from Dwarka Nagari, Nivrittavan, he went from Dwarka Nagari. So this was the first chapter. So does it make sense, or you want any other way to?
No,
You
it
are
makes
understanding,
complete
right?
sense. Now, yes, completely I'm understanding. Dhanyavadaji. Shishupala is just a relative of
Krishna.
Krishna. Okay. Vasudeva's family, isn't it?
Yeah. I think he's
From that family. Okay.
Vasudeva's sister's son or something like that.
Okay.
Shall we move to next?
Fine. Yes, Jay, we'll go to next.
Okay, this you can, anyway you have book, you can go. So next is, again we came Mantra Lochanam. So now they are sitting and discussing how to do
Mantra Lochanam.
Mantra Alochanam. So they are kind of discussing this in between their decision makers. So now Yada Narad Munihi Dwarika Nagarat Nivrittavan. Yada means when. Narad Muni Dwarika Nagarat, from Dwarika Nagari, when Narad Muni went, Tada Eva, Tadaiva. Then itself, then only Indra Prastha Nagarat, from Indraprastha Nagara, from the city or country of Indraprastha, Yudhishthiraha Anyam Sandesham Sri Krishnaya Preshitvan. So Yudhishthira sent another message for Sri Krishna. So Yudhishthira Rajasuya Yagam Kartum Sankalpam Kritvan Asit. So Yudhishthira had Sankalpam, he had decided to do Rajasuya Yajna. So Yagasya Madhye Vignoha Bhavati. So in between Yajna, there may be some obstacles. Bhavati iti Dharmaraja bhitah asit. So thinking like this, Dharmaraja Yudhishthira was worried. So like there may be some problem in between this, because it is a very big yajna. So ataha, for this, Sah Sri Krishna Ahutvan. For this he called Sri Krishna. So Sri Krishna Chintitvan, Sri Krishna thought, Ekatra Deva Karyam. So one side it is Deva Karyam, Anyatra Bandhu Karyam, others Deva Karyam is Indra Karyam. Whatever Indra message came, right? So one message is there, Anyatra Bandhu Karyam. And other side my relatives Karyam, Yudhishthirasya Karyam. Kim Karomi Iti. So what I should do? Iti Sandeha Utpanna. Like that he got some thoughts or confusion. Doubt. So Samasyam Parihartum Saha Mantra Lochanam Kartum Nishchitvan. So to clear this doubt, he thought to discuss with his close people, whoever in his darbar or his close group. So Jnana Vriddha means one who is old because of his knowledge, not because of age. So Jnana Vriddha Uddhavaha. Uddhava is very knowledgeable person. So he Agrajaha Balaramaha Cha. Agrajaha means who was born before you, means your elder brother. Balarama, he is Balarama. Cha.
Balarama.
So Uddhava and Balarama Agatavantau, they both came. Now they two and Sri Krishna, three people. So Trayaha Militva together, Mantra Lochanam means this confidential discussion Akurvan. So they did this, so together they did this discussion. So how that discussion is going, now that will come. Sri Krishna, now Sri Krishna is telling, Narad Maharshihi Devendrasya Sandesam Grihitva Agatvan. So Narad Maharshi came by taking with Indrasya message. So what was that message? So दुष्ट शिशुपालस्य वधः करणीयः इति सूचितवान्. दुष्ट शिशुपालस्य वधः. So wicked Shishupala should be killed. Like that he told. So Yudhishthirah yagay mam ahutvan, and Yudhishthira had called me for yajna, whatever he Rajsuya yajna he is doing. Tasya vigna bhayam asti. Yudhishthira is worried about some obstacles in the yajna. Evam karya dvayam sampraptam. So like this we have got two works to do. So dharmarajasya anujaha veeraha shuraha cha. So he's telling Dharmaraj of Dharmarajasya Anujaha, younger brothers, they are Veerah, they are warriors, Shurah cha, and brave also. So Tasmat, so now due to this, Dharmaraja Tesham Sahayena Yagam Karoti. So Dharmaraja can do the yajna with help of them because his younger brothers are very brave and warriors. So Shishupala tu Dushtah Dine Dine Vardhate. Shishupala is a wicked person, and every day by day his thing is growing. Nitikaraha vadanti. All those policy makers they tell Vyadhihi Vardhamanaha Shatruhu cha na upekshaniyam. So policy makers tell, if you have a disease and if you have a enemy and they are growing, so you should not overlook them. So you should do immediate whatever for Vyadhi, you do the medical attention to that, and if your Shatru is growing, you should immediately try to bring the balance. Ayam mama abhiprayah. So this is my opinion. Atra, here, yukta ayuktam vicharya kathayantu. Here, think of good and bad and then tell. Iti uktavan. Like this he said. Like this who said? Krishna said. So this is your chapter 2. So now.
Okay.
So now we'll come to, I think.
We'll go on to the
third one. This is third one.
Indraprastha Prayanam.
So Prayanam means leaving, departing. Indraprastha, departing to where? Indraprastha. So now this is third part. Sri Krishnasya vachanam shrutva. After listening to Sri Krishna vachana, whatever he was saying, Swabhiprayam kathitwan. Balarama Swabhiprayam kathitwan. Now Balarama is telling his thoughts. So what are his thoughts? Idanim Jaitra Yatra Uchita Natu Yajna Yatra. So he is telling now this should be the whatever conquest we should do, not to the, we should go for the war, not for the yajna. Shishupala kevalam lok pidako na. Shishupala is not only doing bad to the world. Tava api shatruhu. He is your enemy also. So how he is enemy? Purvam, earlier, Saha Rukminim, earlier, Tava Bharyam Apekshitvan. So earlier he was willing to marry your wife Rukmini. So Sa na prapta. So he did not got Rukmini. He did not got chance to marry Rukmini. Ataha kupitaha saha sada tava ahitam eva chintayati. Because of this he is very angry and he always thinks about your doing bad to you. Ahitam. So only your ahita he thinks. Evam bahuvaram. Like this many times saha aparadham kritvan. He did some bad things. Tasya shama na uchita. For him giving mercy or forgiveness is not correct. Prathamam saha hantabhyaha. First he should be killed. Yudhishthirah yagam karotu athva tyajatu. Yudhishthira is doing his yajna or not doing. He is quitting or leaving that.
Ji, audio.
Asmakam. Yeah.
Audio, little bit it is
Okay.
disturbance.
Okay. Asmakam swartham vayam sadhayamah. So whatever asmakam, ours, whatever side is there, that we will do. Let Yudhishthira touch the yajna or leaves, it is up to him. Iti dridham swabhiprayam prakashitwan. Like this, Balarama said
Strong.
with strong opinion he presented. Sabha mandire pratidhvanihi shrutaha. So in that, wherever they were doing that court, wherever this discussion was happening, there everybody like appreciated this one. Pratidhvani means some kind of like good. It was like this was heard.
Unitedly. Okay.
चित्रदेवताः अपि बलरामस्य अभिप्रायम् एव उक्तवत्यः इव. So even that wall hangings pictures were also like they were telling what they were agreeing what Balarama was telling. So
okay.
So Anantaram later Uddhava Swamatam Kathitwan. Uddhava is telling his own opinion. What is his opinion? Kevalam utsaha na karya sadhaka. Only by excitement you are not going to achieve any work. Kshama atyantam avashyaki. You should learn to forgive. Twara na kartavya. We should not do haste. Alpasya vishayasya krite bahu prayasah na uchitaha. For small thing, we should not do too much of effort. Mushakam grihitum parvatasya khananam iva. So like to catch a mouse, you are digging whole mountain. So apicha Shisupalasya samipe Rajasamuha asti. Also, Shishupala is not alone. He is having some kings in his side. Ataha saha jetum na sulabha. Because of that, he is not that easy to conquer. Kincha, but yadi kincha bhavan yagaya yadina gacchati. But if you will not go for yajna, tada, then bandhu droha bhavati. Then bandhu droha will happen, like you will disobey your relatives or yage eva yuddhavakasah bhavishyati. In the yajna itself, there will be chance to have this war or whatever yuddha. Tatra eva Shishupalaha hantavyah. There itself you kill the Shishupala. So Purvam Bhavan Shishupalasya Ambayai Ekam Pratijya Vachanam Dattavan. Earlier you have given one promise to Shishupalasya mother. So what was that promise? Ambayai, to his mother. Amba means mother. Shishupalasya Shatam Aparadhan Vrishyami. So earlier you have said like 100 mistakes of Shishupala you will forgive. Iti. Yadi tataha purvam tasya hananam bhavishyati. So if you will kill him before his 100 mistakes, tarhi tava pratijya bhangah bhavishyati. Then your this promise will break. Ataha yag yatra uchita. So I would say, in my opinion, like you should go to yajna. You should do the religious travel than the conquering travel or something. So tada karya dvayam api bhavishyati. If you go to yajna, both of your work will happen. Iti Uddhava yukti vachanam uktavan. Like this Uddhava said. Right? Sri Krishna Uddhavasya vachanena santushtaha abhavat.
Yes.
So Sri Krishna became satisfied by what Uddhava's viewpoint was. Saha yajna yatram kartum nishchitvan. So he decided to go for yajna. Indraprastham prati prayanam. So started to Arabdhavancha. He started going towards Indraprastha. Means they started journey for the Indraprastha, Yudhishthira's country. So we'll do next one.
Yes.
So Prayana
Ji, 1
Varnana.
minute.
Yes.
Your Uddhava is, who's that?
Uddhava is also in the
Uddhava.
clan itself. Uddhava was a Jnani, and earlier he goes to Mathura for he goes to Vrindavana for telling gopis like Krishna is a god. You should not try to be after him like human. So, and later gopis told, means explained him
Okay,
such
okay,
a way
okay,
like
okay.
he became bhakta of Krishna. But he was also a relative or kind of from that king's family itself.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay.
So now we'll see this one, Prayana Varnanam.
Yes.
So Varnanam
Yes.
means explanation, Prayana means while departure. So this is the explanation of when they were going. Sri Krishna Rajasuya Yagaya
Go further.
Indraprastham. Pardon?
Nothing.
Sri Krishna Rajasuya Yagaya Indraprastham Gantum Nishchitwan. Sri Krishna decided to go to Indraprastha for
Go further.
Rajasuya Yajna.
Yaga.
Prayanam
Yajna.
Arabdham. So his departure started. Sri Krishnena Saha Sarve Yadavaha Parijanena Parijanaha Antah Pura Striyah Cha Prasthitaha. So along with Sri Krishna, all Yadavas, all their extended families, and all their ladies also departed.
Okay.
So Dwaraka Nagarat Sri Krishna se Prayanam. So Sri Krishna started from Dwaraka city.
Dwaraka. Okay.
Tat Nagaram Manoharam. That city is very beautiful. Manoharam, something which captures your mind. So that beautiful.
Okay.
Nagarasya Margeshu Ratnanam Rashihi Evasit. So on the way of the city, there were so many jewels, heap of
Ratna.
jewels,
Okay.
heap of jewels, Rashihi Asit. So Dwaraka Nagaram Samudra Tire Asti. So Dwaraka city is on the beach. Samudra Tire Asti. Samudra Tira Margena Sri Krishnasya Prayanam. So Samudra Tira Margena means by beach road. So whatever was the road on the beach, by that road Sri Krishna's Prayanam. Sri Krishna's travel was happening from the beach road. ततः ते सर्वे अपि रैवतक पर्वतस्य समीपम आगतवन्तः. Tata means from there, they all, sarve, they all, api also, Raivatak, there was one Parvat means mountain, some mountain was there next to Dwarika on the way of Indraprastha, Raivatak name. So they all came to near Raivatak Parvata. Saha Parvatah api ramaniyah eva. So that mountain also is very attractive or very good place. पर्वतस्य सौन्दर्यं पश्यन्तः ते सर्वेपि तत्र एव जलक्रीडासु मग्नाः अभवन्. पर्वतस्य सौन्दर्यं, beauty of mountain, पश्यन्तः, while seeing beauty of mountain, they all, सर्वे, api, they all also, tatra ev, there itself, jal kridasu, they started playing in water, means some pond or some pool might be there, they magna, so they started enjoying in water play. Tataha, from there, sarve te prayanam kurvantaha Yamuna Nadi Samipam Agachan. So from there, they again started their journey and they reached near Yamuna river. Yamunam Tirtva, after crossing Yamuna, te, those people, Indraprasthat Bahihi Agataha. So after crossing Yamuna, they reached outskirts of Indraprastha. Sri Krishnasya Agamana Vrittantah Rajdhanyam Prasrutaha. So Sri Krishna is coming like that stories immediately reached to the capital city of Indraprastha.
Indraprastha. Okay.
Yudhishthirah mahantam anandam anubhutvan. So Yudhishthira felt very happy by
Happy.
listening this news. So
Ah.
Parivar Sahitasya Sri Krishnasya Swagataya. So with his family he came for welcoming Sri Krishna. Sa Raja Anujaihi Saha Sahasa Prasthitaha. So along with family and younger brothers, he immediately left to receive the Sri Krishna. Indraprastha nagarasya bahihi bhage Sri Krishna parivarah Yudhishthira parivarah cha amilat. So in the outskirts of Sri Indraprastha, both families of Sri Krishna and Yudhishthira met. Sri Krishna rathat avatirya. Sri Krishna coming down from his chariot. Yudhishtiram namaskritvan. So he did namaste to Yudhishthira. Yudhishthiraha api, Yudhishthira also, Sri Krishnam, to Sri Krishna, Pritya, with love, Alingitvan. So he embraced him with love. Tataha sarve api, from there they all, Yaga Mandapam, to that Mandapa, Yaga Mandapa, where Yajna was happening, Prati, towards that place, Prasthitaha. They all started.
Went. Okay.
So
next is here are no doubt.
Good. So this one we will do. So 5 this you practice, and next someday I will do other one in one shot.
Okay. Sure.
So this
you,
this is no this is last one. So let's finish this also.
5th one. Okay.
5th. There are 2 stories in this book, right? So one is this one. So this will end here, and other story will start after that. So we'll finish this one, so that whole one story, your one story is complete.
Okay.
So this story is Shishupalasya Vadhaha. So means killing of Shishupala.
Yes, he dies in this.
He was killed. So Sri Krishna Yudhishthiraha Anye Sarve Api Sabha Bhavanam Agatavantah. So Sri Krishna, Yudhishthira and others also, all other Sabha Bhavanam, they came to Agatavantah, they came to Sabha Bhavanam, where that Yajna Mandapa something was happening. So Kushal Prashnanam Anantaram Rajasuya Yagah Samarabdha. So Kushal Prashnanam means how are you? You are doing well or not? So after these greetings, Anantaram, after these, so Rajasuya Yagah, so Rajasuya Yajna Samarabdha, it started. So Vaibhav Purnaha Yaj Vidhi Samapto Abhavat. So Vaibhava means like your richness, whatever. The way like there should be some proper other English word. So it is like richness, you can say.
They've given it down. I will see it.
Okay. So Vaibhav Purna means full of might. This by full of this great Yag Vidhi, whatever that Yajna method was there, it Samapta. So it finished. Yagasya ante, at the end of Yajna, Sadasya Puja iti Vidhi asti. So in the end of this Yajna, there is a Vidhi, there is a recommendation rule to do the Sadasya Puja. So what is that Sadasya Puja? Tam Pujam Svikartum Ko Arhaha Kaha Samarthaha. So to accept that puja, or whom we should do the Sadasya Puja, who is capable and who is eligible for this puja, iti, like this, Dharmaraja Yudhishthira Bhishmam Pitamaham Aprichat. So this question he asked to Bhishma, his grandfather. He asked like, we know like at the end of Yaga we should do the Sadasya Puja, and now for that puja who is eligible and who is capable of getting that puja, like this question he asked to Bhishma. Tada Bhishma, then Bhishma, what he said, Sri Krishna eva sarvottamaha. So Bhishma is telling Sri Krishna is best, puja arha, and he is like eligible for this puja. Iti akathayat.
He is the only one worth.
Yes. So iti akathayat, like that he said. Bhishma Sri Krishnasya prabhavam parakramam avataran cha avarnayat. So along with this, Bhishma gave description of Sri Krishna's like how great he is, and how many his avataras already happened. These things also Bhishma told. Tataha, after this, Yudhishthira Krishnasya pujam akarot. After this, Yudhishthira did the puja of Sri Krishna. Sabhayam kritam Sri Krishnasya pujam chedi raja Shishupala nasahat. So in this sabha, whatever puja happened of Shishupala, that puja was not, he did not, Shishupala, who was king of Chedi, the some kingdom, Chedi Raja, king of Chedi kingdom, Shishupala, he did not liked accept. So Saha
Sri Krishnasya
Shatruhu, he is an enemy of Sri Krishna.
Sri
Shishupala Kopen Dharmarajam Bhishma cha Garhitum Arabdhavan. So because of now his anger, he started telling bad words to Dharmaraja Yudhishthira and Bhishma also.
Okay.
So how he is telling? Nichasya Gopasya Chorasya Krishnasya Puja Kimartham. So why we are doing puja of this Neech son of cowherd, and he is a thief. Gopa means son of a cowherd. So Chorasya,
Kopa, angry.
not Kopa was earlier, right? Kopen.
Yes.
So Chorasya means he is a thief. Krishnasya puja. So like this, Krishna, why you are doing puja of person like this? Ayogyasya yam puja. So bhavati. Telling like if you will do puja of him, this puja is for a ayogya person. He is not eligible, or he is not yogya. Ayam bhishmaha vritha palitaha murkha itti anindat. So he said like this, Bhishma is just old person, vritha palita. His white hairs are waste. It is not because of his jnana. And he is a fool. Like that he said. Vada vivadaha pravrittaha. Now just started Vada vivada. One is saying one thing, other is saying another.
Okay.
Tada punaha api Bhishma Krishnasya stotram kritvan. Then again also Bhishma praised Krishna. Stotram. He praised something in for Krishna. Anena Shishupalaha Kopena Unmattaha Abhavat. So by this, Shishupala's anger went further, like he became
further
mad.
Increased. Yeah.
Saha sabham paritijya bahirgataha. So he left the sabha and came outside. Shishupal pakshiyaha nripaha api bahihi agata. So whoever kings were inside of Shishupala, they also left the sabha and went outside. Tata Shishupala Krishnena saha yuddham kartum nischitvan. So from there, after that, Shishupala decided to fight or have war with Krishna. So tasya sainikaha parivar janascha agami dukham parikalpya dukkhitaha. So his soldiers and his family people understood like fighting with Krishna is not good and he is going to die or something bad going to happen. Agami means coming. Dukkha means bad time. Parikalpya means thinking of that. After thinking of that dukkha coming, dukkhita, they became sad. Madhye Shishupalaha Dutam Yudhishthirasya Savidhe Preshitvan. In between, Shishupala sent a messenger to Yudhishthira for Yudhishthira. Dutaha Sabham Agatya Krishnaya Upadesham Kritvan. So Duta came after coming into the Sabha. He was giving some sermon to Krishna. So what he was telling? Shishupalaha Shuraha. Shishupala is very brave. Saha Yuddha Sannaham Karoti. So he is getting ready for war. Tvam Tam Sharanam Gacha. You go in his refuge. iti. Like this, he said, Shishupalasya messenger said to Krishna, idam shrutva satyakihi kupitaha. So like this, when when he heard, Satyaki heard these things, he became angry. Satyaki is one of the Yadavas warriors. Saha uchitam uttaram dattavan. So he gave the befitting reply. Punaha api dutaha Shishupalam prashamsan Sri Krishnam nindan vachanani uktavan. So again that messenger was praising Shishupala and saying bad words to Krishna, spoke. Idam shrutva. So after listening this, sarve nripaha kupitaha. All kings became angry. Dutaha pratinivrittavan. So Duta went back. Ubhay pakshiyaha, both sides, yuddhaya sthitvantaha. Both sides got ready for war. Yuddham ghoram samarabdham. So fierce battle started. Ante, at the end, Sri Krishnasya Shishupalasya cha dvandva yuddham jatam. So at the end, Sri Krishna and Shishupala together, only those two did the yuddha.
Fighting.
Dvandva means two, set of two. Tada Sri Krishna chakrayudhena Shishupalam praharat. Then Sri Krishna using his chakra attacked Shishupala. So tena aghatena Shishupalaha mritaha. So by that chakras, this thing, Shishupala died. Sajjana nam sukham jatam. Sajjana means good people became happy with the death of Shishupala. So this is one story. So now it is finished. Five chapters. Next story is Kirat Arjuniyam. So that we will do some other days. In between, you prepare this one. That is fine.
Okay, ji. Bahu dhanyawad ji.
Okay, I will upload it and I will share you the link.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your time, ji. Thank you.
Thank you.